Have you seen sellers being wary of FHA loans? Or maybe you heard someone saying, FHA loans are risky, we don't want to go for it. Well, the truth is, so many times FHA loans don't fall apart because of the buyers. Rather, they actually fall apart because of the property. So today, I'm going to walk you through what these FHA appraisers actually look for, why do these standards exist, and how you can avoid these surprises whether you are buying or selling. Let's start with what FHA really means. No, it's not first-time home buyer something. It's Federal Housing Administration. It's a government program which is designed to make home ownership more accessible. Yes, mostly for first-time home buyers. It will allow lower down payment, sometimes as low as 3.5%. And also it has lower credit requirements too, as far as the credit score is concerned. Now, because the buyer is putting such a lower amount down, the government wants to make sure that the property itself is a safe investment. And that's where the standards come in. Buyers think appraisal means value, but with FHA loan, appraisal actually means a home inspection with value check added. FHA appraisers look for three core standards: safety, security, and soundness. Let me explain. Safety. This isn't about aesthetics. It's about making sure someone doesn't get hurt in the home. For example, missing handrails on a staircase. Now someone can slip and fall, so it's a safety hazard. Exposed electrical wiring. It's more than unsightly, it's a fire risk. Missing smoke detectors. FHA appraisers need smoke detectors on every level and in every room. Now, as you can tell, all these standards exist so the buyers, especially the first-time home buyers, they move into a safe home. Then comes security. This is more about making sure that the home can protect you from elements and intruders. Think of it as, can you lock up and live here without worrying about basic protection? For example, the windows that don't close properly. Now, it's not just annoying, it's a security issue and energy problem too. Maybe the door, it doesn't have a secure lock. Now, do you want the appraiser to tell the buyer, hey, you need the lock on the front door before moving in? Maybe a roof leakage. Now, the water getting in, it's not just a roof issue. It can lead to mold, it can lead to rot, and the structural damage. So, if an appraiser spots any of these or something like that, they will flag them and would require you, the seller or buyer, to fix them before the loan moves forward. Soundness. Now, this is not a cosmetic checklist. This is about structural integrity. It's about the parts of the home that keep it standing and usable for the years to come. Now, let's say the appraiser comes in and they spot big cracks in the ceilings or the walls. Now, these cracks can signal water damage, shifting, or maybe structural instability. Now, this will be a huge red flag for you. So, the home can be priced perfectly. A buyer can be fully approved, but still, FHA deals get delayed or canceled because somebody didn't understand these conditions beforehand. Now, why do these rules exist? Well, they exist first to make sure buyer doesn't move into a home with hidden risk. Then, for the lenders, by ensuring the property holds value. Think of it as a built-in safety net. Now, what does it mean if you are a buyer? So, as a buyer, if you're using FHA financing, make sure you understand that the property condition matters as much as your approval. While making an offer, look beyond the finishes. Look at the safety, the structure, the systems. If you do this beforehand, it will help you with the stress or the risk or the renegotiations later on. Now, what does it mean if you are a seller? As a seller, when you are selling the property and receive an FHA offer, it doesn't mean trouble. No, it just means your property will be looked at more closely. So, being proactive about repairs and maintenance can help a lot, and it will make the process way smoother. At the end of the day, FHA is not about stricter rules. It's about making sure the home you're buying is safe, sound, and a solid investment. So if you are buying or selling and would like to understand how financing would impact your strategy, reach out anytime. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more real estate insights that can help you make smarter decisions. See you next time.